Alright, so we just killed our sheep, and we're going to take some meat and stuff down to the bottom. So I'm just going to walk you through real quick how to expand the load shelf and put some meat on there and load her back up. So I always like to start by just basically undoing the load lifters off the frame here. And then going ahead and undoing our side straps. On the bottom, there's going to be two, on the sides, two webbing straps. We're just going to loosen those. We don't need to take them all the way off. So just loosen those guys. Loose. For the bottom. Get good loose. See in there. Then we're just going to reach in and on the bag right here, little try slide and lock. Same on this side right here. Try slide. Take that off. So that should allow us to take the bag off the frame. Right here. Just like that. And the load shelf's right here. It's just stuck down. So we're going ahead and do that guy. Load shelf. Let's take our bag of meat. And drop her in there. Make it flat. Tighten this up. Then I'm just going to take the bag, put it right back over the top here. Same thing. Then I'm just going to go and get all my side straps kind of buckled up. Like that. Step down. Just like that. So I don't want to make this too snug yet, just kind of holding it on there. Then I'll just kind of go and evenly tighten all these. Same on this side. And then the last thing we'll do is, rather than running this guy off of there, we're going to run the tension locks from here back to the frame. I'll pull that bag up and over. Same on this guy as well. From here. And then kind of the last step, once you get it all that's in there, putting your lid up to you, that'll come up, is you're just going to take your load lifters that were on your shoulder strap now and put them on your frame. And that allows suck it all up to you. And then I'll just go around and just clean all this up. When you're all done, you'll be ready to start making your way down. So the bag just basically compresses all the meat and everything back onto there now. So pretty slick. But pull my rifle on the side, some other things on the top, put my horns on there in a minute, and we'll be on our way. So.